Hello everyone, my name is Inaya Khan and I'll be teaching you science. But before we begin, let us start with a small breathing exercise. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now before starting the topic, let me ask you a few questions. Now when we are inhaling, which gas are we inhaling? Oxygen, isn't it? And when we are exhaling, which gas are we giving out? Carbon dioxide. Correct. Now, do you know what part of environment helps us give fresh oxygen and take up all the carbon dioxide? Well, it's the plants and the trees around us. So, like us, even the plants have different parts. They have roots, stems, fruits, flowers and leaves. So today we are going to study more about leaves. Now before we start, I have a leaf to show it to you and different parts of the leaf. Now every leaf is different, right? They can be in different shapes and sizes. However, all the leaves have a structure. They have specific parts. So we are going to study about those parts today. First part is the slender stalk-like structure which is known as petiole. Now the petiole helps in connecting the leaf to the main branch of the plant. Then we have this whole flat surface of the leaf which is known as lamina or leaf blade. Then we have the border of the leaf which is known as leaf margin. Now it can be of any shape depending upon what kind of plant it is. Now in the center you see this line running from the base to the top of the leaf. This is known as midvein, and the lines which are coming out of the leaf, these are known as veins. Now the veins, they transport water and minerals from roots to all the parts of the plant, and also the food which is produced by the plant to all parts of the plant. Then at the top, the tip of the leaf is known as leaf apex. Now this can be pointed or rounding depending upon the type of the plant. So now this is the basic structure of the leaf. Now as I told you, these are the veins which run through the leaves of the plant. The arrangement of these type of veins is known as venation, and there are two types of venation. First is reticulate venation and second is parallel venation. So let us see what is reticulate venation. Now to show it to you, I have this leaf. This leaf is of hibiscus plant. Now it is not similar to other leaf because obviously it's from a different plant, but the structure will remain the same. Now if you see, it has a midrib and all the veins which are coming out of it, and it has a complex structure. They intersect or they connect each other at some point. So this type of complex structure of veins on a leaf is known as reticulate venation. It's mostly found in shrubs and flowering plants like rose, hibiscus, etc. And the second type of venation, let me show it to you, is parallel venation as we discussed. Now in parallel venation, it is more easy, straight lines running from the midvein parallelly to each other. They do not intersect each other at any point. From base to the top, they run parallelly to each other. It's like this. It can be found in grass, banana leaves, etc. Right? So I hope you understood about the parts of the leaf and types of venation. Now let us move on to the functions of the leaf. Now there are two most important functions of the leaves. First is photosynthesis. So you all might have heard about photosynthesis, isn't that correct? It's the process by which plants make their own food. Well, that is again because of the leaves. Leaves help the plants to make the food with the help of carbon dioxide which we give out, the water which we which they get from the roots and the sunlight. So the plants combine all these three components and give out oxygen and glucose, which is sugar, which they store it because it's their food for growing, for their growth. And the oxygen which they give out in photosynthesis, that's the fresh air which we breathe in. And the second most important function of the leaf is transpiration. Now, we water the plants? No, plants do not require a large amount of water. So whatever water is required by them, they take it in, but whatever is the excess, they transpire it out. That means with the help of the leaves, it evaporates into the atmosphere, and that process is known as transpiration. So they take out all the excess water from their body with the help of transpiration. So I hope you understood what are the parts of the leaf, what are their functions. Thank you.